Welcome to #1 Africa resale application called Moshop. Now today I want to show you and explain to you why you need to invite your friends to be part of Moshop. Let them download this app and they will use your invite code and be part of this Moshop. That is #1. #2, I'll show you why whenever they will be doing their purchase and finishing up task on Moshop, you'll earn more money. Now this is Ernest Digits, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube video because I'll give you an opportunity for you to start making money online by making money online. Simple: browse, share and earn. All right, now let's go to our commission tab. On our commission tab, we talked about how to make money and get commissions to your M-Pesa with task bonuses. That one we did in our video earlier before. You can check on our playlist on Moshop on how we can get your task bonuses. Now today we want to see why you need to have more friends invitation to your list. Let me check. Now you see, to your tier 1, tier 2 as an invitation list. I show you the reason why you need to have this commission of 4 to 16% of their task bonus, and then I'll explain to you at the end of this video why you need to have Moshop, because you'll have a permanent solution for making money online and starting your business with zero investment. Now this is why #1, how to invite your friends. You only click on this tab here. This one here, you see, it's called invite your friends and do the task together, because in this business you cannot do it alone. So first of all, you click here and then it will take you to your WhatsApp, where you can share on your status and choose your friends on whom you want to share with. You need to click several of them. If you have groups, you can share. If you have your friends who can willing to share and explain to them, you can click on here and invite them to start making money. This is the message you'll get when you send to them. Now it will read to them why they have to be part of Moshop, and then the link and your special invitation code, which you can see here. This one is a special invite code for me. If you want to be part of me, you can also use this code and insert into your application in this link. Make sure you download this one from your Play Store and use this link, my invite code, as a registration. Then for more inquiries, they will be done. Now that's how you invite more friends. It will be free for registration. It's a reliable, quick and easy, and it's long-term stability. If you want to make more money, don't look today. Moshop is giving you this opportunity for future to make a permanent solution for your money. Now let's share with the friends. That one's gone. So whenever they put whenever they put your invite code, they will be under you. Let me show you. This is how you are going to earn when you invite your friends. We are talking about #2. Invite friends to complete, and then you'll earn their commission on their task bonus for 4% to 16%. See the 3-tier referral structure program. This is how it will happen. When you invite the first person linked to you, they can be 10 or 15 or 30. You'll earn 16 commission in any task they'll do on Moshop. Whenever they are buying anything, whenever they are selling, they are completing any task, you'll earn 16 commission. Then on your friends, the other friends who they will invite, you'll also earn. That's what we call tier 2. You'll earn 8% from them. Whenever they buy anything, whenever they do a purchase and complete that purchase, you'll earn 8%. Then on tier 3, you'll earn 4% whenever their friends of their friends buy and complete a task from Moshop. You'll earn 4%. We want to leave it from there because these commissions will also differ from one point to another when you go to underlying commission. And remember, this is done by when you upgrade to your VIP. Now the VIP position, it's a billionaire project program where you'll earn more commissions entirely by doing nothing, by just sitting at home and doing nothing but commissions coming in. You will have created a channel for your money online. This is number one Africa reselling application. I'll explain to you the VIP position, the VIP section, where you'll get all this and rebate commission and direct, and whenever they do direct commissions and so forth. But today I wanted to explain to you why you need to invite your friends and earn 4 to 16% of their task bonus. This is Africa's number one reselling application for you. So if you want to buy anything and get your direct commission, you'll place this order here. Let me show you in the next video. My name is Ernest, and consider subscribing and be part of this community, how to make money online with Moshop.